now we just simply unpack the screen, which is in a nice blue packet, little package. And it also has a plastic film covering to protect the screen. Alright. Next step. Well, first, you have to make sure you're holding the screen the right way so that when replacing it and putting it back on, it's facing the right direction. The next thing is we must connect the video cable to the screen. And we must attach or reattach the decal so the video cable connecting piece stays in its place. Make sure it fits nice and tight and it's not loose, or the screen won't be working very well. Next step is to reconnect to connect this new screen in the appropriate place, which is where these little pieces are, where we right next to where these tiny screws were. Alright, now is the big step where we reattach the screws. Reattaching the screws is not as difficult and time consuming as taking the screws off. Deattach, or whatever the word for that is. Now I'm sure you're thinking the same. Oh, he's almost done. But there are a couple more steps that follow after this to making sure that you have the right screen. Now once you're completed with that, and I know it takes me a while, once you're completed with this, reattach the border of the screen into its position. And once you have done that, just simply turn on your computer to make sure, once again, that you have the correct screen. And I'm sure by this point you know if it's the right screen or not. But just to completely make sure, turn on the computer, and it should look good as new. Just like mine. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today in this laptop screen revival. Thank you very much, laptopscreens.com, for providing me with this new screen for my laptop. And here's your video.